Hey everybody, this is Rob, and this is your homework video for unit number 11. Let's go ahead and get started. Our topic will be we'll be doing the warm up for let's listen, let's check and read aloud and grammar section for unit number 11. And the title of that is, let's see first. Okay, we'll be using this one. This is still a beta version. Page 68, page 69, page 70, and then page 71. Okay? So remember, you'll be using the blue paper for this. You have to do this homework, but if you do the homework, take a picture of it and send it to me before our next class, you get 2 bonus points. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is still a beta version. These are the words that you have to know. You have to learn app, option, impression, record, allow, try out, own, develop, satellite, and avatar. And you have to match these with your Japanese translations. So, for example, this is an app. I think in Japanese you say apply. Okay. My favorite apps are Netflix. I also like Facebook. Sometimes I use Instagram, but my favorite app is YouTube. Okay. Next, option. Option means in the terms of technology, option means a tool. This is the pencil tool or the pencil option. This is the spray paint option. This is the cutting option. So in the case of computers and technology, option means tool. Okay, next, impression. Impression is what you think about something. For example, this person says, "What do you think about winter?" He says, "I like winter because I can ski." He has a good impression of winter, a good feeling of winter. Okay. And this one, record. Record means to catch information and save it. For example, right now he is recording his voice. He says hi. Later on, he presses the button and the voice comes back hi. That's record. Okay. Allow. Allow means to give permission to do something. After you sign up for something, for example, he wants to use Netflix, he signs up. Netflix says, yes, you are a member, you may use videos. Netflix will allow him to use videos. Okay. Try out. Try out means to use something for the first time. You're not sure how to use it, but you want to use it. So you just try to use it. What happens if I do this? What happens if I do this? Let's try this. Let's use this. Okay. So yeah, try out what happens if I push this. He's trying out his new phone. Own. Okay. Own means to have something that is yours. For example, I own this Diet Coke. I paid the money. It's mine. I paid for it. I own this Diet Coke. No one else may have it. Okay. Good. Develop. Develop means to make something or improve something. For example, he made a plan down here, and now he's making a new app. That's develop. He's developing a new app. Right now, people are using AI or people are developing AI to create music and videos. Satellite. Satellite is like a rocket that is in space and it sends down information or it watches people or it does some other function. But that's a satellite. It's a rocket that stays in space and goes around the world. Okay. Next one, avatar. Okay, avatar. Okay, this is my picture. I'm sorry, Chotokakuari, but this is my avatar right here where I develop an online character. I could choose the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. That's my avatar. Okay. Um, yeah, same thing if you use an avatar with Line or Facebook or anything else. That's an avatar. Okay, and then, okay, yeah, okay, so go ahead. Let's go back here really quickly. Okay, please listen one time. Ikai kite kudasai.
This is still a beta version. App, option, impression, record, allow, Try out. Own. Develop. Satellite. Avatar.
Okay, now take give you 5 seconds, stop the video, please write your answers. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, so app is I, option is E, impression is F, record is J, allow is B, try out is H, own is A, develop is G, satellite is D, and avatar is E. Okay, great. Make sure you write your answers down. Okay, next. Now we're going to have to listen to a conversation between Rob and Minako. What are they talking about? Okay, Rob, an app that Rob bought recently, an app that Rob has been developing, or an app that Rob's friend has been developing. What are they talking about? What is true of the app? You can create a video with it. It doesn't use satellite technology. It has a voice changing option. Has Rob found any problems with it? Yes, sometimes it freezes. No, he thinks it's perfect. No, but he's going to add an option. So please listen.
Minako is chatting with Rob in the school cafeteria.
That looks interesting.
Yeah, it's a prototype of a new app that I've been developing.
Does it use satellite technology to track your trips?
Yeah, but this one allows you to create a video with your own avatar.
That's cool. So, for example, if I visit Rome, I can record the trip as a 3D me, right?
Yeah, you can record your impressions and add photos too.
It looks like a lot of fun.
It sure is, but this is still a beta version.
Have you found any problems with it?
Not really, but I'm going to add a voice changing option.
That's a good idea. Not many people like hearing their own voices when they're recorded.
Okay, one more time.
Minako is chatting with Rob in the school cafeteria.
That looks interesting.
Yeah, it's a prototype of a new app that I've been developing.
Does it use satellite technology to track your trips?
Yeah, but this one allows you to create a video with your own avatar.
That's cool. So, for example, if I visit Rome, I can record the trip as a 3D me, right?
Yeah, you can record your impressions and add photos too.
It looks like a lot of fun.
It sure is, but this is still a beta version.
Have you found any problems with it?
Not really, but I'm going to add a voice changing option.
That's a good idea. Not many people like hearing their own voices when they're recorded.
Okay, so write your answers. Number one, what are they talking about? An app that Rob bought recently, an app Rob has been developing, an app Rob's friend has been developing. Number two, what is true of the app? You can create a video with it. It doesn't use satellite technology. It has a voice changing option. Number three, has Rob found any problems with it? Yes, it sometimes freezes. B, no, he thinks it's perfect. C, no, but he's going to add an option. 5 seconds. Please stop the video. Write your answers. Okay, here are your answers. Okay. Okay, what are they talking about? B, an app Rob has been developing. Question two, what is true of the app? You can create a video with it. A. And then number three, has Rob found any problems with it? C, no, but he's going to add an option. Okay, next one. Okay, let's check and read aloud. Please put the correct words into these spaces right here. Okay, please listen.
Minako is chatting with Rob in the school cafeteria.
That looks interesting.
Yeah, it's a prototype of a new app that I've been developing.
Does it use satellite technology to track your trips?
Yeah, but this one allows you to create a video with your own avatar.
That's cool. So, for example, if I visit Rome, I can record the trip as a 3D me, right?
Yeah, you can record your impressions and add photos too.
It looks like a lot of fun.
It sure is. But this is still a beta version.
Have you found any problems with it?
Not really, but I'm going to add a voice changing option.
That's a good idea. Not many people like hearing their own voices when they're recorded.
Okay, 5 seconds. Stop the video and write your answers. Okay, here are the answers. Good. So one more time, I'll read it for you. That looks interesting. Yeah, it's a prototype of a new app that I've been developing. Does it use satellite technology to track your trips? Yeah, but this one allows you to create a video with your own avatar. That's cool. So, for example, if I visit Rome, I can record the trip as a 3D me, right? Yeah, you can record your impressions and add photos too. It looks like a lot of fun. It sure is, but this is still a beta version. Have you found any problems with it? Not really, but I'm going to add a voice changing option. That's a good idea. Not many people like hearing their own voices when they're recorded. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, two more grammar points. First one, you have to put close, answer, wait, speak, and lose into the correct spaces. Sometimes you have to change the verb. For example, speak. Okay, it says speak, but you have to change to spoken. The language spoken in Brazil is Portuguese, not the language spoken Brazil is Portuguese. Okay, so number one, it took a few hours to restore the data. Okay. Number two, the gate remained, so I couldn't enter the laboratory. Number three, I am very sorry to keep you. And then number four, did you have trouble? The question? Okay. Now, this one is a little bit hint. I'm going to give you a hint. It took a few hours to restore the Nantaka data. In this case, it's Nakushita data. How do you say, it says lose, but how do you say Nakushita? Okay. The gate remained Shimata. Okay. I'm sorry to keep you Materu. And then, did you have trouble Kotai? Kotai Suru. Okay, 5 seconds. Stop the video. Please write your answers. Okay, here are your answers. Okay, it took a few hours to restore the lost data. Number two, the gates remained closed, so I couldn't enter the laboratory. Number three, I'm very sorry to keep you waiting. And number four, did you have trouble answering the questions? Okay, those are your answers. Okay, next, B. Okay, you have to choose the best answer. For example, Christmas is very interesting, interested. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Okay, interesting. Not to, interesting means watashi wa omoshiroi. Interested means watashi wa kyomi ga aru. Same point. We are excited to work with Dr. Miller. Okay, so we're exciting means watashi tachi wa exciting. Watashi tachi wa laku laku desu. Demo, we're excited means watashi tachi wa nantaka aru kyomi ga aru. Okay, so you shouldn't leave your project unfinished. Okay, unfinishing means doshi watashi wa suru. I am I unfinishing. Actually, unfinishing isn't even a word, and so the answer will be unfinished. We have only 2 days leaving, 2 days left. Okay, leaving. I am leaving. Okay. In this case, left can mean hidari or nokori nataka. So, okay, for example, yesterday I had senen, or today I had senen, but I went to lunch. Now I have 200 yen left. Nokori ni 100 yen. Okay. And again, a beaker is a glass container, okay, used in chemistry, okay? I am using, okay? This is used. Mono is used. Hito wa using, okay? So that hope that helps. So okay, so one more time. We're excited to work with Dr. Miller. You shouldn't leave your project unfinished. The answer is unfinished. Number three, we have only 2 days. No kori no futsukakan aru. We only have 2 days leaving left before the presentation. A beaker is a glass container used in chemistry. 5 seconds. Stop the video. Please write your answers. Okay. There are your answers. We're excited to work with Dr. Miller. I'm exciting to work with Dr. Miller. No, no. I am an exciting person. I am an exciting teacher. I am an exciting baseball player. But I'm excited to Nantaka Nantaka. Number two, you shouldn't leave your project unfinished. Number three, we only have 2 days left. Nokori futsukakanga aru. And then a beaker is a glass container used in chemistry. Scissors are used to cut paper. Okay. Diet Coke is used to make me happy. Now, I am using scissors. I am drinking Diet Coke. Okay. That's okay. Good. Okay. Thank you. Next. Okay, please write the correct sentence. Put these words in order, and there's one word that you do not know, you do not need. Okay, you've got developing, I'm, app, busy, the, developed. Okay, okay. Now, hinto, I'm. Okay, I'm, I'm doshi ing. I'm eating, I'm working, I'm drinking. Okay, good. Okay. Next one, number two. I had, okay, Crowa given, fixed, fixing, laptop, rob, buy, my. Okay. So to remember, I'm kakoke yuemasen. Here you have kakoke. I had watashi no computer, rob wa watashi no computer now shimashita. Okay. So next one, three, bored. Okay. Bored, boring, found, the app, I, very. Okay. Okay, so hinto, I found, that means I think, or omoimashita, kangaitemashita. Tatoeba, yesterday's kyojukai, senshi no kyojukai, bikurishita, keiko hayai. I found last week's kyojukai interesting. I found last week's kyojukai uh, um, was it enjoyable? Okay, so that might help. Last one, the man, Dr. Smith, is wearing lab coat A. Okay, good. Okay, 5 seconds. Stop the video. Please write your answers. Okay, here are your answers. Good. I'm busy developing the app. You don't need developed. I had my laptop fixed by Rob. You don't need fixing. Okay. I found the app very boring. You don't need bored. Okay. And the man wearing the lab coat is Dr. Smith. Okay. So worn. Okay. Eat an eye. Okay. Good. Okay. Those are your answers. Make sure they're make sure that you take a picture of this. You send it to me at line for 2 extra bonus points. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's go have some Diet Coke or drink anything you want and enjoy the rest of your day. See you later. Thank you very much. Goodbye.